to remind you that crypto trading is highly speculatively in nature, which can mean crypto prices may become extremely volatile, and you must sustain a total loss of your funds. Crypto trading carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Always consult a financial professional, advisor, planner, lawyer, whatever it is that you need, CPA, before making any investments decisions. It is possible that you sustain a loss of some sort of all your initial investment. So never risk capital that you cannot afford to lose. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses of this resource. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Individual results vary, and no representation is made that clients will or are likely to achieve profits or incur losses comparable to those that may be shown. You acknowledge and agree that no promise or guarantee of success or possibility has been made between you and myself. So let's go now to where we need to go. So the first thing I want to talk to you is I did the disclaimer. Let me just remove this a little bit. So basically, introduction of this. The introduction of this is that a couple of months ago, me and my husband decided to actually take a class, and the class name is The Plan. And this class was a very amazing class. Let me go here and move this here for a second. Why did I take this class? Why I decided to go in on crypto when I was very skeptical about crypto? Because of my friends and because of my mentor, Jason Flatlin, who decided to go in with his friends. Dan Hollings is his friend that he knows for years in this endeavor. And he is like Midas. Whatever he touches is gold. He's made $100 million. So if he gets in something and I can afford to get in, because he's done over $100 million and I don't have $100 million, then I will get in. And as I saw my friends' results, as I saw Jason going from a skeptical to a believer in crypto, and the same to my friends and the profits that we're making, I decided with my husband to actually get in the plan. And after my husband and I watched the webinar, which is a webinar that I'm inviting you to see, it was very clear to us that this was the best opportunity that has come to us in our lives. Okay? You agree, baby?
Yep.
And here I am drinking Thai tea because that's what I drink every morning. So what happened? First of all, who is Dan? Because you like, who is Dan? One, Dan is Jason Plaza's friend. That's one. He's an Amazon guru. He is the top crypto expert in the world. He started with manual trading. He started with hodling. He lost millions of dollars, and then he decided to start doing bot trading. And through all these things, he was able to find that the volatility of the crypto market is something good. It's something that you can exploit to your advantage. Now, if you're doing hodling, which is holding a coin or coin pairs or coins for a long time, a lot of people lose money, especially in the crash that we had last week, which all these 4 accounts that I'm going to show you went through that crash and made money. And that's when I was like, I believe it when this happens. And after that happened, I said, I completely am in. Because it's easy to make money when the market is up. It's easy to make money when the market is in a bull market. But to make money in the bear market, in the down market, in a crash, in a dip, that's not easy. And I can tell you that 2 of my friends lost $10,000 this week, not from bots, a manual trader and a hodler that I know from actually TikTok. One of my friends said, I lost $10,000 in that crash. That friend is signing up tonight to the plan because he's tired of actually playing a game that is rigged, that only 5% of people actually win. While bot trading is 65% success rate, manual trading is 5%. Would you rather go 5% on success or 65% on success rate? You want to say hi, baby?
No, no presentable.
I think you look handsome, but whatever. Okay. The point is this: what everybody is doing, what mostly everyone is doing, including Dan and how he started, was manual trading, hodling. In manual trading, you buy a coin when it's really cheap, and when the coin goes up, like Bitcoin. When Bitcoin started, it was pretty cheap. It was worth nothing. Now it's $43,000. When you know that the coin has gotten to a certain point, you sell it and then you make money in the difference. If you bought a coin in a dollar and you sell it for $40,000, you made a buckload of money. But the problem with that is, one, it's gambling. Two, you're sleeping 8 hours minimum, multiply by 7. So in all those times, if the market crashes at night, you're SOL. That's one. Two, hodlers, people that hold coins for a year or more. If you buy a coin at 1,000 and the coin becomes 0 and you can't sell it because you're holding the coin for a year, you lose all your money. And then you don't make any money unless you sell your coins in a year. So thereby you don't make money right away, and the loss is very, very high. The risk is very high. So with manual trading and with hodling, the risk to reward profitability is it's more risk than reward. With bot trading, you can be a lazy trader and make money 65% of the time. That means that 65% of the time I'm winning. And if you can make money when the market goes down, especially when most of the time the market goes down, as I'm going to show you later, then you actually have the right combination. If you're risk averse like me, this is the way to go. So let me tell you a little bit more about the plan, because Dan is very known in the space. He's a very top affiliate marketer, Amazon guru, and now crypto expert. And I'm going to show you here the little bit about him. Okay? So you can know this guy is legit. So first of all, let me just go back a little bit here, because Dan Hollings is all over the news, all over the internet. Look at this. Dan Hollings, the planned crypto jackpot. Crypto cloud curious beginners get second chance at rate better. Dan Hollings, internet super strategist, Amazon expert, and you see this? Let me just put this one, because I mean, this is internet. Dan Hollings is a true internet marketing expert and Amazon super authority that has sold over 300 million on the Amazon platform. Do you hear me? 300 million. Author numerous popular courses such as Amazon Partnering, Amazon Ninja, and Amazox. He runs Amazon Works, the internet premier Amazon tool research, and has worked with upwards of 20,000 Amazon sellers in recent years. Dan's client list includes celebrities, corporations, manufacturers, Shark Tank entrepreneurs, yeah, you heard it, mom and pop local business owners, schools, organizations, and even Amazon corporate itself. If you not heard his name, perhaps you heard his work. Remember the mega $1 million movie book launched, The Secret? Yes, that secret? You likely saw it on Oprah. Dan was the marketing strategist hired to launch that project. Ever read a guerrilla marketing book? Dan was a consultant and writer for one of the last books ever released by J. Conrad Levinson. Dan was also picked as one of the industry top 25 marketers in a recent best-selling book, Internet Profits. On top of that, Dan is the top crypto expert in the world. So let me read to you this, because the 4 accounts that I'm going to show you are just so-so accounts. They're not the best accounts. He shows better accounts in the webinar that I want you to watch, of course. I'm having some issues with my computer. Give me a second. It's not the computer, it's the internet. Give me a second. Okay, while this comes out. I should have left it there. Anyway, you can research on him. I'm telling you, he is legit. Second thing I want to show you is that in one day, in 12 hours, and 41 minutes, and 13 seconds, this class is going to be gone. And so I've been talking for this for like 2 weeks now. And if you want to get in, it has to be in the next 24 hours. Well, it's actually 1 hour, 1 day, and 12 hours. So how does the plan works? Give me a second. And of course, I'm not even in there. I'm still here. Can you hear me, Les? Give me a second. I hear when this happens. Papa, if you're the internet, you need to get out because it kicked me out again. Oh my gosh. ¿Me oíste? Papa, did you hear me? Get out of the internet. Sorry, guys. It just kicked me out. I don't know what the heck is happening. But like I was saying, I don't know how much you guys heard. What I was trying to show you is that Dan Hollings is a person that a lot of people know, that he's done millions of dollars and everybody knows. But Dan Hollings, like I said, did the plan. Is it a crypto jackpot or too good to be true? So, second. Okay. So the plan by Dan Hollings is a training program that teaches how to make money off of crypto volatility using automation in a set and forget fashion. So what is it, the plan in summarized terms? One, it is a training program to learn a specific investment strategy using bot trading with crypto. Two, it's a way to make money in any market, a bear market or a bull market, a high market bull, a low market bear. I did it course with an online portal for lifetime access to the course material, 7 video lessons plus Q&A question sessions that are also going to be recorded, a system that each member must execute in their own personal exchange account, and a way for regular folks to have some to make some profit. So the plan basically, it uses bots, which is with a pair of crypto coins, to trade with each other. It's lazy trading, like Dan calls it, okay? Each bot is set with predetermined parameters that you learn in the class to do buy and sell orders that, according to the volatility of the market, the bot knows what to do after you set it up. And the most important thing that I want you to get out of this is that it's set and forget. Set and forget aspect of it. So what is, go back here. So we call it, we say make money in the wiggle. Make money in the wiggle. The wiggle is the volatility of the market. If the market goes up, because we got several areas, green areas. Let me just show you actually here. Before that, I had to like share my screen here. Let me share my screen here. Oh, not again. Not again. Okay. I might have to put my cam here because I keep losing the other thing. Okay. This is such a pain, guys. Sorry. I'm not supposed to be so close like this because I wasn't supposed to use this camera for that. Actually, let me just put it here so you can see me better because it was too close. Okay. Sorry, guys. I just give me a second. Gonna have to use both because if not, okay. So like I was saying, the plan is a class that I took where you learn how to set bots, how to use grid bot trading, how to make money in the market, and when the market goes down, whether the market goes up or down, and all kinds of things. So when you do grid bot trading, you're gonna see these lines, guys. You see these lines? These lines are what we call grids. Each of these lines, according to, you see the, okay, so we got these candles. This is 6-hour candles, meaning that the time that passed in the volatility of the market is 6. I can change it to 1 hour. I didn't even know it was candles, by the way, before I took the class. So you can see that the market is always up and down. And that's why if you're doing manual trading or hodling, most people lose a lot of money. Like 2 of my friends this past week, that lost $10,000. One manual trader and a hodler lost $10,000. One of them signed up for the class because he got tired of trying to fight a losing battle. So when you do this, when you see these lines, we tell you how high you need to go, how low you need to go, how many grids you need, how many steps you need. Because, example, if you have too many lines, you don't make money. You need to have a specific amount of investment. And for the bots, according to what Dan teaches, the minimum investment for a bot is $3,000. Because exchanges have minimum trading, prices that you have to do. And if you don't have that, then you're not really going to make money. For example, QCO lets you have a bot and set a bot with $180, but you're not going to make any money with that. So you see this? These are my coin pairs. Is this mine? No, this is not mine. Mine is this one. Give me a second. And I want to show you that 2 of these accounts are in the red. Which if you were hodling or you were doing manual trading, that means you will be losing money. So you see this? The market went down really a lot. Let me show you. So if you notice here, negative 48, negative 2.71, 4.89. Actually, let me see if I can make this bigger. Bigger. So nice. Let's see. How can I make this like closer to you? I know you can see it, but it's like if it was bigger, it would be better. It's not what I want. There you go. Okay, now I bring it too big. Now you can see it. So first of all, you see the lines now better. So, okay, so manual traders, what they do is just buy a coin down here. See? Down here. When the price goes up, they try to estimate where to sell it. But what happens usually is that the market starts crashing again. So a lot of them don't make any money. And you can see here, all the transactions, all these little circles are the transactions that my bots are doing without me doing anything. All I did was take a class, take the plan class, and set up the parameters using what the plan taught me, okay? So when you go back, you can see the market has been all over the place. Look at this. This is how long I have my bots. Look at this. This one was a really big one. This one just went from up here. This was crazy. Look at this. And dropped all this way. So if you're a hodler, you're holding your coin. And if your money is a certain, if you bought this in a certain thing, then, then you lose your money. Because what happens is everybody says, go sell, sell, sell. And that's where we make money, the people that are actually not selling. So example, look at my bot. So this doesn't count the 2 bots that I closed. So it's $986 that I did. But you can see that my bots are in the red, -13, -24%. They're big numbers. But you see, this one, ICP USDT, these are the coin pairs. Okay, let me go back here. The coin pairs is what makes you the money, okay? Let me go back here and put it here. The coin pairs here in the left is what makes you the money. Okay, and I don't see it, so it must have kicked me again. Sorry, guys. That's why I have you here. Okay, let me just back. And I'm refreshing, so you know that this is not, how you say, controlling anyway. I don't know why my internet is choppy. Okay, so this one is the one that I was showing you, which is mine. My bots are not that great, but I'm actually out of the 4 people, I'm the newest because the other people took beta 1 and I took beta 2. But for 987, 4.40 interest ROI, I made 900 something in 13 days. Yeah, 13 days, 14 days, 14 days. There you go. But you can see that a lot of my bots are negative, and if you were doing manual trading and hodling, you will be losing money. You'll be bleeding money everywhere. Now, this one here, ETH BTC, is my hodl bot. This is a long-term bot, okay? Even though it's a hodl bot, and most people that are hodling something are not making money with their hodling, I made $131 in 1 month. The next one is $199 in 20 days. The next one made me $50 in 14 days, $28 in 14 days, $193 in 14 days, $254 in 14 days, $29 in 3 days, which a total, not counting the bots that I closed, adding the $100 is $986 in 14 days, because the majority of the bots were made in the 14 day. That's why I count there. So that's an example of the worst account. That's my account, okay? I'm the newest one. One thing I want you to know is that out of the 4, all these people didn't know anything about crypto. Zero experience in crypto. I think me and Jody were buying crypto, but we're not doing anything with it because I didn't know what to do with it, and she didn't know what to do with it. And she lost money. I think she said she lost money. This is another person's account. I think this is Jody. Yeah, this is actually Jody's. This is one of my best friend's accounts. So if you notice the coin pairs here on the left, she has RBUSD, XRPE, RBTC, and STEP USD. Okay. So in 28 days, let me see if I can make this bigger again. There you go. In 26 days, she has made $3,253 at 28% ROI. So if she closed these bots today, she already has that money in her account. You can see 28 days, 28 days, 20 days, 18 days. One bot made her $44.49, another one $195, another one $729. In this one, the one in 28 days, the Step USD, has made her $1,879 in 28 days. This is Jody's mom, I think. Can be anybody, any Jody. Okay, look at this. She only has two bots, okay? She has Skr BTC and Soul BTC, okay? And she has been doing this for 28 days, 26 days. The top bot is out of range, meaning it is out of the lines. 1,946 in 28 days. And this is another person that I know. And let me make this bigger because she has a lot of bots. So you can see better. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bots, okay? She's made 822 in 28 days. Why do you think that somebody will start a bot in 28 days ago and then 7 days start another one, and then a week later start another one and another one and another one and another one, and then after that 8 days another one, and then one day another one and another one and another one? Because logically they're making money. And if you can see in the change in the area that is red here, these are all negative. She's still making money. Look at this one, negative 27%, and she made it $600 in 21 days. Negative 5.84%, she made $811 in 3 days. Negative 3%, she made $89 in 3 days. Negative 5.71, 89 in 2 days. Negative 2.60, 47 in 2 days. And then this one is positive. So what is the number one thing that I want you to get this? That doesn't matter what the market does. If you're doing bot trading, you're winning 65% of the time. This is passive income. You're in control of this income. It is in your exchange. It is not in this. You can also do really cool stuff with here because you can actually swap coins directly from the trading area up here. These are where your bots are. We don't use signals in arbitrage, and then our portfolio is there, and there's changes. You got a lot of places that you can connect this. And we use BISCAP. But I'm going to tell you something. If you try to get BISCAP, you're not going to make any money because we have a plan. We know how to set the bots specifically in the parameters. And I just don't recommend you doing that. Do a research. But this is an example of somebody that in 30 days, you see this? 30 days made 1,947. All these accounts had no crypto background at all. Look at this one, 1821 in 28 days. This is actually the best one, 3,252 in 28 days. And mine is the worst because I'm the newest one, 985 in 14 days. But even though the market crashed a lot, and you see the red here, look at the red. Red, 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 red. I'm still making money. My friend, the same. negative 27%. So do you do any crypto? I don't know who you are, but I can see somebody is there watching. Do you do any crypto yet? Because if you're doing manual trading or hodling, this past week, I know two people. One is a hodler, people that hold a coin for a year. Another one is a manual trader, and they both lost $10,000 in this crash. While all these four accounts, all of us made money, as I can show you in the examples. This is four unrelated accounts. The only thing that is related is that we all took this class. The plan, and this class is about to close in one day. As you can see it here, one day. See that? So what is it that I want you to do with this? I want you to know that all these people have no background in crypto. Two, they all took the plan. And three, they all made money passively while they sleep, even though the market crashed. Because my friend's portfolio went negative 12%. Let me see the other one. This one actually is positive. This one is also positive, and then mine went where? Negative 6%, but I'm still making money. So what is it that I want you to do? I want you to check this out. I just want you to watch a webinar because the webinar is gone in one day. And if you decide to buy, because by the way, I'm an affiliate, and I said to everybody, here's my name. I'm an affiliate of the plan. I know my client. I actually took the class, and I am promoting the class. Very, very honest and blunt here. This is all you get with this class. And like I said in the description, this class is the last time it's going to be $2,500. So 3 installments of 1,000, 30 days apart, or 2,500 one time. And you have to sign a legal agreement stating that you're not going to reveal any secret of that you learned here. That's why I can't tell you what are the strategies. Somebody asked me how to set up a bot. I can't answer that question. But all I can tell you is that we know exactly how high you need to go, how low you need to go, etc. And all that is taught in the class. So if you have no background in crypto, it's better because then you don't come with preconceived notions about trying to take manual trading and into this world. Okay. What else do I want to talk? Okay. So one of the bonuses that is very important in this here is Dan's bonus. And that bonus is not here in the page, but I can tell you that if you could actually get 2 months of free coin pairs, 2 months of free coin pairs after the last class you take, which is 7 classes, I think it is. But you can actually then come here, set up a bot, copy and paste, and have an EBTC bot on in a minute, an Atom USD bot in a minute, a Gala USD bot in a minute, because all you do is copy and paste. That's one of the bonuses. And then I have my own bonuses because we all have different bonuses. One of the bonuses that I have, let me just go because I don't remember. And it's in my, okay, wrong place. I don't remember where, okay, it's here. I just have so many videos. Let me just close this. I think I can read it somewhere. Oh, you're supposed to see that. Got too many things here. Let me just remove this for a second while I find the thing. Okay. Oops. So my coin, these are my bonuses. because I don't remember that. Bonus one, that's dance. That's 2 free months of coin pairs. Coin pairs are 2 coins like ETH and BTC. The more the volatility between those 2 coins, the more money you make. Okay. You get the settings where you can copy and paste. You can have a bot running in less than a minute. It tells you the date and a specific time to start the live bots or demo bots so you can make profit faster. 2, 10% of tax tracking software so that all you have to do, because we have thousands of transactions, is just to connect that software to your Bitscap or exchange, because I don't know how it works yet. And then you get all that and just give it to your CPA. Bonus 3 is Zoom and live calls with me because I already took the class. So especially people that don't have any background onboarding money in crypto world, they're going to have meetings with me. I've been doing meetings with the people that sign up. 4 is 30-day email and text support. Rapid Crush has a usually 1 hour to 3 hours answer question time back. So if you ask a question in 1 p.m., usually by 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. tops, they answer you. But also you can call me and ask me questions. I'm also going to show you how, let me see. Yeah. You can actually view my bots for 4 weeks. You also can, I will actually build a demo bot so that you can actually also fasten your success. I have a Facebook group and Clubhouse group that I'm inviting my peoples. And lastly, I don't know if I have a lot of collectibles things. And I know some people like comics. I am a Generation X. So anybody that signs up, this is the last bonus. I'm going to, let me go back here. Oh, don't tell me that you stuck again. Sorry, guys, just slow. So 10 mint condition collectible comics from DC or Marvel sent to people in United States because I have somebody else that signed from Australia. I'm going to ask how much it will be to send that to there, but I'm not sure. So I have Marvel and DC comics. I have NBA sports cards, all collectibles and mint condition. And I have one more Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda that cries, that it was last year's top toy. I have one more of that. So all you have to do is sign up for the class, sign your NDA, your legal agreement, send me a screenshot of that, an email of everything, and then I will send you your bonuses. And then logically, I will send you my email and stuff so that you can ask me questions and stuff. Because I already took the class. Let me see what else. And of course, everything is slow. Go back here. So, let me see. So questions. I know somebody asked me in TikTok, can you pay the plan class with crypto? The answer to that question is no. 2, another question. If you have crypto, example, let's say that because everybody's 3,000, let's say that you have $3,000 of Bitcoin. Do you need to invest $3,000 in somewhere else? Oh, great. Sorry, guys. No. If you have $3,000 of one coin, be in Bitcoin or ETH or whatever, you can use that as your investment in the bots. So what are all the costs of the investment? I have it in my description box because I want everybody to know everything they need to know. Let me see. Add. Many people. Okay, I need that. Remove that. Remove that. There you go. Sorry, guys. I just have. I'm trying to stay here. I don't know what the heck. So what I was saying, yeah. So yeah, so you can't pay with crypto the class, but if you had crypto, you had and $3,000 of a coin, you already have your investment there. All the costs. Oh yeah, 2,500 for the class or 1,000 3 time payments. 111, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 every month for 3 months. The $3,000 investment, but like I said, you have the crypto already at $3,000 on one coin. You already have that. And then the subscription for the bots, if you want to have 2 bots, it's $19 for the subscription monthly. If you want 5 bots, is $49 for the subscription. And if you want 15 bots, it's $120 for the subscription. That's all the costs. So when Dan was selling the course, he was actually charging $10,000 to $15,000 to teach his course. This is the last time the course is going to be $2,500. And like I show you, this is going to be the webinar and the class will be closed tomorrow. And that means completely closed tomorrow. Let me show you here. Like I told you, one day, 12 hours, 9 minutes, and 58 seconds. So here in the sales page has all the costs so you can see it because I want everybody to know the cost ahead of time. And then it has a lot of questions. The course starts on September 30th. You will be automatically registered and will receive your unique Zoom attendee link via email the day before the event. You have to sign the NDA as soon as possible. This phase, the 6 phases, this is only one phase. Each phase teaches a unique crypto investment strategy that stands alone, which is why they're taught in different courses. Please note that Dan has not yet released the courses for the other phases. He will likely release them in a beta format as well in the future, and participation in phase 1 course, which is this course, will likely be a requirement to participate in courses for other phases. So basically, if you don't take phase 1, you can't take phase 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Another thing that I like, the disclosure. Why? Because the information is proprietary, and as such, we only want members of the plan to have access to this information. What does beta mean? Might as well just answer it. Beta means the plan itself, the approach, the system, the gridling is rock solid, it's proven, it works. The teaching of the plan in course format, we're still working out the best way to do that. This means the PDF you get won't be polished and gorgeous looking, or that each session runs like a Swiss watch. The material is all there and you'll be shown everything. Can I share my membership with a spousal business partner? You can share with any immediate family member who lives in the same household. You can also share information with an official business partner, meaning you have a legal entity you have formed with that person. All the specific details are fully described in the participation agreement and NDA. Anyway, that's some of the questions that most people ask. Like I said, the results speak for themselves. For 4 people that had no background in crypto to start doing trading with bots and start making money right away, it's a testament to the teachings of Dan Hollings. These are my bots again. And you see they're still red. Most of them are red. And I'm not worried. I'm calm, cool, and collected and happy. Think about this. This is the lowest of the accounts. If you divide 985, because I actually closed 2 bots and they don't count that in tally. If you divide $985 by 14 days, it's $70-something. And $70-something multiplied by 365 is what? Alexa, Alexa, 885 divided by 14.
5 entre 14 es igual a 0.350.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, 985 divided by 14.
985 divided by 14 is approximately 70.3571.
Okay, Alexa, 70 multiplied by 365.
70 times 365 is 25,550.
So if I just keep making the minimum, which is $70 in my account, multiplied by 365 days of the year, is 20 something thousand dollars in a year. That's the crappiest account. Okay, let's go here. Alexa, 3,251 divided by 28.
3,251 divided by 28 is approximately 116.1071.
116 daily. 116, Alexa, 116 multiplied by 365.
116 times 365 is 42,340.
So this person keeps doing 116 multiplied by 365 days in a year. That's $42,000. The other one, Alexa, 1,945 divided by 28.
1,945 divided by 28 is approximately 69.4643.
Alexa, 69 multiplied by 365.
69 times 365 is 25,185.
25,185. If this person keeps doing just that, that's 25,000 in a year. Alexa, let me go back here because this is so big. Okay. Alexa, 1,820 divided by 28 days.
Sorry.
Alexa, 1,820 divided by 28 days.
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Sorry, guys. Alexa, 1,820 divided by 28.
1,820 divided by 28 is 65.
Alexa, 65 multiplied by 365.
65 times 365 is 23,725.
23,000 something. What does that tell you guys? That these accounts that are out, if you just make $65 or $70 or 100 something dollars and you multiply that by 365, these people might be making 20 something thousand dollars in the next year. This is compound interest, guys, not yearly interest. And that's one thing that I didn't talk. This is passive income. Passive income, okay? Which means that passive income is money as you sleep. Money as you sleep. So I want to invite you to watch this webinar before it's gone, because it's about to be gone. Who knows until when? And when the webinar comes back, not the webinar, the class comes back, the class is going to be $3,500 or more. This is the last time that this is going to be this price. And I'm here just unveiling everything that I can, because I can't talk about certain things like how to set up a bot. I can't say that, or show you my controls or whatever. But what is the main thing I want you to get? One is passive income. Two, we're making money as I sleep. All these people have no background in crypto. And three, most people make up the investment money of $2,500 in 3 months or less. So it's not like taking a college class where you're going to be like, oh, it will take you, how you say, years to actually make up for the money. Because if you, let's say, spend $40,000 in a 4-year college education, Most of us don't end up going to college to do what we learned to, and it takes years, 10 years or more to pay your college loans. While with this, you invest that $2,500 in the class, or 3,000 if you're doing the 111 three payments per and you start making money as soon as you turn a light bot. Which one do you think you will go? But let me show you again the profits these people are making, because seriously, if you could actually make 1,820 without working is the main thing I want you to get. Without working in 28 days. 1947, 45 in 28 days. 3,251 in 28 days. Or 985 in 14 days. And do this consistently, daily, no matter if the market crashes like you've seen here in all the red here. And you can lower your risk and raise your profitability and start making money daily. Compound interest. To give your family financial freedom, would you do it? So I'm going to finish here because this keeps dissipating. So I'm inviting you to this webinar before it closes tomorrow. The webinar will close tomorrow. The class will close tomorrow at midnight, 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let me go back here to show you. Okay. Just have I guess I have a meeting. So, where is it? So I'm inviting you to this. Oh, and I forgot to put something here. Go to cryptobotplan.com. Cryptobotplan.com to actually watch the webinar. And if you want to decide to sign up, then you can also go through there. And like I said, I get a commission. I'm very, very, honest about that. This is my job full time. I have lupus, and I do this all day, every day. Also, let me just put it here. It's also in the cryptobotplan.com. I also, why is not doing that? That's weird. Okay, why? Also, you can go to HTTPS. Let me go back here. Not 3. Link 3. This weekend. In there, you have both the webinar and the sales page. So you have everything in the same place. Okay. But you can see it here. Cryptobotplan.com. Cryptobotplan.com. Go and watch the webinar before the webinar is gone. Because like I told you, and I proved to you, this here it's gonna be stopping one day. The webinar disappears. Sorry. The webinar disappears and the class closes. And that's it. So if you want to learn how to do crypto, which is the future, if you don't know what is the Great Reset, research the Great Reset, because we're going to virtual currency soon. That's what the World Economic Financial Forum wants soon. And you want to learn more from this guy. Sorry, guys. Well, I'm still in the other place. Learn from Dan Hollings, the top crypto expert in the world. Then it is time for you to just watch this webinar, learn. Let me stop sharing here because somebody's here. Learn how to make money daily with using bot trading, because if you could actually, example, if you do manual trading and hodling is 5% rate, which one you rather have? 65% rate success like this, 1820 in 28 days, 1945 in 28 days, 3,251 in 28 days, or 985 in 14 days. So go and sign up, watch the webinar, add your name and email to cryptobotplan.com. You will start watching the webinar. You got 1 day, 11 hours, 5 minutes, and 17 seconds to do this. And that's it. Like I said, if you decide to sign up, I have mint condition marble in DC. I will send 10, which is $60. Just only that is $60 bonus. So I'm going to go. This is Maricruz. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell, like, comment, and share. And this is Maricruz, bridging the gap between the rich and the poor, coming from the great state of Texas. Give your family a financial future that is better than now. Because I struggle with everything in my life. Right now, I'm not struggling financially, but I'm struggling with my health. And health is very important because if I end up in the hospital, it's very costly. So take care of yourselves. The pandemic is not done. The economy is not great. Robert Kiyosaki keeps predicting there's going to be an economic crash where our American dollar is going to be valueless, and cryptocurrencies are the future. PayPal is already taking it. Chase and Visa and Microsoft and more places are starting to take cryptocurrencies. So take care. See you later. And hurry, because like I said, 1 day, 11 hours, 53 minutes, and the webinar disappeared, poof, and the class is closed. So take care. Bye.